Hi, I'm Jackie Wynn. On Saturday, April 24th from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, the APAPA Government Relations Committee is hosting a free workshop on how to get your stories covered by the media. You'll get to hear from media experts who work behind the scenes and in front of the camera, delivering the news that you watch on TV or listen to the radio every day. I'll be your host. You'll get to hear from veteran anchor TV reporter Phil Blauer from Fox 5 in San Diego, Justine Bellari, senior news producer from ABC 10 in Sacramento, and Nika Magalhaes, radio reporter from News Talk Radio AM 1530 KFBK Radio. They're going to share with you what they're looking for when you pitch them a story. So the next time you make that phone call or send them that email, you'll stand a better chance of getting your story covered. So come join us on April 24th. Grab that favorite cup of coffee or a donut or two and learn the art of pitching a story to the media.